Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You begin by opening the official post office payment portal or app. Sign in with your account or guest payment option. Once logged in, enter the invoice ID or receipt number exactly as shown because small typos block processing. Next, select the bill type and payment method. Choose card or net banking depending on fees. Make sure to enable OTP on your phone since you will need it to authorize the transaction and complete the secure payment step. You now enter payment details carefully. Type the amount, then add card number, expiry, and CVV or pick your bank for net banking. Once done, request the OTP and wait. Do not refresh the page, as that can cancel the session. When the OTP arrives, paste or type it immediately to authorize. After authorization, the portal will show a processing screen. Stay on it until you see the success confirmation and transaction ID for your records. You finish by saving the confirmation and receipt, take a screenshot and download the PDF and email it to yourself for backup. If the payment fails, check your bank balance, OTP delivery, daily limits, and internet connection. Retry only after confirming those. If problems persist, contact post office support and give them the transaction ID and timestamps so they can trace it. This speeds resolution and helps you recover funds or
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.